Now, this is it. Welcome, beautiful soul. Take a deep breath and release any tension. This is your time to align with abundance, peace, and unshakable confidence. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes if you wish, and let these powerful affirmations uplift your spirit. Repeat them silently or out loud, and feel their energy transform your day. I am worthy of all the love, success, and joy life has to offer. Abundance flows to me effortlessly and endlessly. My heart is open to peace, and my mind is calm and clear. I radiate confidence, inspiring myself and those around me. I release all fears and step boldly into my power. Gratitude fills my soul, attracting more blessings every day. My body is vibrant, my mind is sharp, and my spirit is free. I trust the universe to guide me toward my highest purpose. I am surrounded by love, support, and positive energy. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and strength. I create my own reality with thoughts of joy and possibility. My inner light shines brightly, illuminating my path forward. I am in harmony with the world, and all is well in my soul. Success and happiness are my natural state of being. I embrace change with courage and an open heart. Today I choose love, peace, and limitless potential. My mind is a sanctuary of peace and clarity. I attract positive, uplifting people into my life. I am the architect of my destiny, building a life of purpose. Serenity flows through me, calming all worries and fears. I am worthy of success and all the riches life offers. My actions align with my highest goals and deepest values. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. My inner strength shines, lighting the way for others. I trust myself to make decisions that honor my truth. I am enough, exactly as I am, and I am always evolving. Take one final deep breath and carry these affirmations with you today. You are powerful, you are enough, and you are ready to shine. Thank you for joining me in this moment of transformation. If this uplifted you, like, subscribe, and share to spread positivity. Return tomorrow to start your day with this energy. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed.